Welcome back. From family-style seafood platters to cooking your own steak on a hot stone at the table, a restaurant in Naugatuck is serving up a dining experience as unique as its history. I visited the Station restaurant where food, fun, and even trains are all part of the atmosphere. Tucked just off the tracks of the Naugatuck train stop is the Station restaurant. What used to be a building dedicated to a newspaper operation has been transformed into a beautiful venue to gather for a good meal.
We have the bar area, which is very private and fits probably sitting around 70 people. Then we have the main dining room entrance. There is 120 people. And we have another upper dining room from the main dining room, which is around 40 people.
Owner Jim Perzilla says with so many spaces, the restaurant is a popular spot for parties, family celebrations, and corporate events.
We have 3 different patios, and we do have a patio that is all-weather type patio that even if it rains or in a bad weather, we can still dine outside.
Diners get a front row seat to the train passing by, but the real star is the food. The menu ranges from Mediterranean favorites to American classics.
We do have a very big menu and diverse menu, veals and chops and steaks and pasta, chicken, and has a lot of wraps, salad and stuff for lunch. We do cater to everyone,
including some menu favorites you won't want to miss.
We have a very signature steak in a stone that we do here. Is a steak that people love to cook it themselves, so we give them a hotted stone and they cook it in their own table, and that's a very, very big favorite.
The mixed seafood grill and mixed grill meats for 2 or 4 is another customer favorite, plus a variety of seafood pasta dishes. The popular menu and dedicated staff has built a loyal following.
But it's good for locals and destination people too. We do get people from all over Connecticut, and you know, people are very shocked when they see the place done as a restaurant, and they admire everything we did in here.
Whether it's a casual lunch, night out, or special occasion,
we do love to people to come and visit our place. Will be a very good experience, and we make sure that we're going to take care of whatever they need.
The restaurant is open for lunch and dinner 7 days a week, and you can learn more at thestation.online.